وقل رب زدني علما.
Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وكأي من آية في السماوات والأرض يمرون عليها وهم عنها معرضون. وكأي من آية في السماوات والأرض يمرون عليها وهم عنها معرضون. يقول الإمام الشيخ سعدي وكأي أي وكم من آية في السماوات والأرض يمرون عليها دالة على توحيد الله وهم عنها معرضون. And how many a sign in the heavens and the earth they pass by while they are averse therefrom. While they are averse therefrom. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that there are many signs. How many signs, how many evidences in the heaven and on the earth? They pass by it. While عنها معرضون, they turn away from it. How many ayat showing the power of Allah, showing the mercy of Allah, showing the greatness of Allah, showing the existence of Allah, showing the knowledge of Allah Azza wa Jalla. How many signs? But they pass by it. They don't look at it. They don't ponder on it. They don't consider it. As Allah said in another ayah, لهم قلوب لا يفقهون بها ولهم أعين لا يبصرون بها ولهم آذان لا يسمعون بها أولئك كالأنعام بل هم أضل أولئك هم الغافلون. They have hearts by which they don't understand. They don't perceive with it. They have eyes, they don't see with it. They have ears, they don't hear with it. They are like the cattle. Nay, they are worst. Yes, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the human the hearing, the sight, the heart, to use it for understanding and learning the haqq, the truth. So the eyes to look the universe. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the middle of the night he used to look the sky. And one of his way he used to look up a lot, alayhi salatu wasalam. So in the night he used to look the sky. And then he used to recite ayat from the Quran. إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب. In the alternation and changing of the day and night, and in the creation of the heaven and the earth, there are signs for people who have albab, uqul, they have understanding, they have heart to understand with. They don't physically pass by, look at the sky. Rather, they use their heart when they see the day changing, the night changing, the universe changing. Subhanallah. Not that long was day. Everywhere was light. Cars didn't need to turn their lights on. Not that long. But now go out. When you see it's dark. Without turning your light on, you don't see it. Unless there is street lights on. Until when? How long? How many miles? Thousands of miles sometimes. So, I think something big happened. The sun which was up there, now it disappeared. You see on the other side, you see the moon, different than the sun. You see the stars. It's total change in the universe. But who is pondering on, who looking at it? With the difference of the characteristics of the night and the day. The day and night is different. Not just this is dark and this is light. No, more than that. More than that. It's two different lives. In the night is very calm. Very calm. Go to the highway, especially last part of the night, you see very few cars moving on the biggest highways. Everybody is resting. The tracks are full of in the rest area. After 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes, or even more, you may see one car passing it. The same area, go to the daytime. It's packed up. Full, especially around the cities. You cannot move. So the issue was not light and dark only. There is something with the light and there is something with the darkness. Life is with the light. There, people, they revive. They start now having activity and anshita and energy and moving. The same thing, the trees, the animal, even the water, the ocean, moves with that. And then there is no the day, no the sun, then you see things coming down. Al-Muhim, so how many ayat showing all this well organized, very managed, very planned, no chaos and corruption, and every day seeing the sun and the moon crashing one another, the earth is going to the other side. Everything calm, while there is also movement. The sun is moving. If they tell it's not moving, tell them they're liars. Tajri, the sun is moving. The same thing that the moon is moving. كل في فلك يسبحون, in an orbit. They circle in orbit. So very, very balanced. The sun gets close to the earth. Who is going to be alive if the sun would have come close to 1 mile, 2 miles, where the airplanes fly? Who will be alive? None of us. Way closer than that. Farther than that. Okay? It goes very far. What happened? Frozen. Well-organized universe. And the other creation of Allah Azza wa Jal. This ocean, if Allah would have sent this ocean to the land, who is going to survive? Little water Allah sent sometimes from the ocean, the corner, what happened? All the city around is destroyed. The big buildings hit one another. The boats, the ships, the cars, everything is moved by small water come from the ocean or the river. How about if the whole ocean would have gone up? La ilaha illa. All who human, they give up. They don't know anything. You see the whole house moving. The whole building is moving. Whole city moving. It's not even one house, two houses. Whole city. And after few minutes, you find everything crash. Mirrors crash, cars crash, buildings mixed. To separate after that takes how long it takes. Everything destroyed. But Allah keeps, subhanahu wa ta'ala. This. How about the earthquake? The whole city, the whole building moving. Then you find it collapsing. People don't know what's happened. I remember يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن قال الإنسان ما لها. When the earthquake, the big earthquake happened on the day of judgment, the people will ask, what's wrong with it? What's the matter with the earth? SubhanAllah, you see that when earthquake happen, and people don't know it, they see things moving it. The first thing they say, what's happening? What's going on? Because the person cannot comprehend what's going on. The earthquake, the tornado, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, those things happen certain times for a wisdom. For a wisdom. Allah changed things for a wisdom. The origin is things to be calm, everything to be organized, life to be smooth, people to be healthy, the child who born to be healthy, that's the origin. But sometimes the child who born may be sick, may die right away. Some the earth which was stable, the origin, earthquake. And the like happen. There is a wisdom on that. These things are not happening by itself. It's happening by the decree of Allah Azza wa Jal. It's not by Mother Nature. It's by someone who changing things. Changing things. Now, even though those who study have knowledge, they say the earthquake is benefit for the earth. All these things happen, they say at the end, the volcano taking place, they say it's good for the earth. They say it's like the rain. Rain, somebody may die, accident may happen, house may be destroyed by the rain, but at the end of the day, the rain is good. The same thing, these things are good overall. Overall is good. It helps the stability of the earth, it helps. Sometimes it breathes. Al-Muhim. So, looking at the universe around you and how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala azza wa jal well planned, tabaraka wa ta'ala, is ayah in the universe. But Allah said, most of them, they don't look at that. They pass by it while they are turned away from it. They have no idea. They don't even look. How many from the people who ponder all these things, who look, everyone is looking down. Looking down, looking down. From the morning to the end, looking down. No time for looking up, no time for thinking, no time for pondering. Except those few whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enlightened them, their hearts, as Allah said, وَعِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ الَّذِينَ يَمْشُونَ عَلَى. As Allah said subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Al-Furqan, تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا وهو الذي جعل الليل والنهار خلفة لمن أراد أن يذكر أو أراد شكورا. So Allah made the day and the night change, alternation of the day and the night for the one who wants to remember and the one who wants to give thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to be grateful to Allah azza wa jal, because this changing of the day and night is for the benefit of the person,